So hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel then please do subscribe and hit the bell icon. So today in this video I'm going to share with you guys a review of hair serum which I'm using from last 2 months, which is from Saturn by GHC. GHC means Good Health Company. अगर आप मेरे पुराने सब्सक्राइबर हो और अगर आपने मेरी पुरानी वीडियोस देखी है तो आपको पता होगा कि मैंने GHC के प्रोडक्ट्स पहले भी यूज़ किए हैं. सो दिस टाइम आई ट्राइड हेयर सीरम. इफ यू गाइज आर नॉट अवेयर अबाउट दिस ब्रांड, सो आई टेल यू द बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट Saturn by GHC is that you get to consult health coaches for absolutely free with no hidden charges. There's a contact number to get free consultation, and you can also go to their website to get free online assessment and get the right product for you. And you can get up to 30% off if you will buy from the link given in the description. So do check out the description. So yeah, without wasting further time, let's get started.
So this is the hair vitalizer serum from Saturn by GHC. It claims that it helps to create long-lasting styles by taming flyaways and sealing in moisture and protects hair from heat damage. And it has these 4 key ingredients: redensil 3%, procapil 3%, biotin and hibiscus extract, and I'll tell you the benefits of these afterwards. So it has this pump system which is covered with cap. Let me show you the texture by removing this cap. So I'm spraying on my hand and you can see this is so watery, lightweight and is not sticky. So now let's talk about how to apply. With the help of spray applicator, spray hair vitalizer serum on affected scalp area. Yes, we normally apply serum on hairs, but this one you have to apply on scalp. Then massage with fingertips for 3 to 5 minutes for increased absorption and leave it on. And it has mixture of ingredients. Number 1, redensil, which helps in improving blood supply to the scalp and strengthens hair roots so that they are not pulled out easily. Number 2, procapil, which helps to reduce the amount of hair loss from daily grooming and styling, which is important because each time we shampoo our hair, it washes away nutrients and oils that keeps our hair healthy. Number 3, biotin, which improves hair quality and texture. And number 4, hibiscus extract, which helps to prevent dryness and dandruff. Also, Saturn by GHC products are dermatologically tested and are safe for all skin and hair types. But if you suffer from any scalp condition or if you are allergic to any ingredient which is used in the product, then do consult with a doctor before applying. And at the end, as an honest review, I'll definitely recommend you guys, as my hairs were so frizzy, dull and damaged. But after using this, I can see my hairs are in better condition than before.
So yeah, that's it for the video. Do like this video, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.